This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Meta Quest 2. A factory reset is often the best solution for troubleshooting persistent technical issues or preparing your device for a new owner. This important step completely erases all data and games from your headset, so be sure to back up any content you wish to keep. Crucially, your Meta Quest 2 needs to be charged to at least 50% before you begin this process. You can choose between two main types of resets for your device: a soft restart or a full factory reset. A soft restart simply reboots your headset, similar to turning a computer off and on, often resolving minor glitches without affecting your stored data. Conversely, a factory reset performs a complete wipe, returning your Quest 2 to its original out-of-the-box state, which is necessary for deeper issues or before selling. To perform the factory reset, first ensure your Meta Quest 2 is powered completely off. Next, press and hold both the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the boot screen appears in your headset. Use the volume buttons to scroll down and highlight Factory Reset, then press the power button to make your selection. You will then confirm this action, and your device will begin to erase all data. After the factory reset is complete, your Meta Quest 2 will restart and present itself as a brand new device. You will need to go through the initial setup process once more, including pairing the headset with your Meta Quest mobile application on your phone. All your previously purchased games and applications will be available in your library for re-download, allowing you to reinstall them individually. Enjoy your fresh start with improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.